Hello everyone, I Dr. Kshama, Associate Professor in the School of Management and Commerce in KR Mangalam University. I hope you people know about ACCA. ACCA is a UK based CA program which is very much in demand, and GT, a part of ACCA, gold partner of ACCA. They are providing good understanding, good knowledge to the student, and they are very happy with the sessions provided by GT people here in the AeroCity office. It has a great learning for them, as well as the people have a kind of the understanding that in future how we can explain more these things to the student, how we can help them to learn to understand about ACCA program, be it the corporate financing, be it business management, accounting and finance, be it strategic leadership programs and all. So everything is very good, and the team like Ms. Muskan, she is here, Mr. Deepak, Mr. Pradeep Pandey, they helped us a lot to understand about the ACCA program, the value, the demand for ACCA people not only in India but worldwide, as it is covering 178 countries. Thank you from my side, and all the very best to the GT team, as well as I wish the best for my students, that they have to acquire it and they have to give their best and be future ACCA in the world market. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Diksha and I am pursuing Grant Thornton Bharat's ACCA program at KR Mangalam University. I had always dreamt of working in the international market with a global exposure. And I am very grateful to KR Mangalam University for helping us learn from the industry experts at Grant Thornton Bharat. The way they explain the concepts with the real world examples has actually helped me in building up my knowledge base. The study materials they provide are also very comprehensive and well structured, which adds up to this amazing learning course. And I feel like I have started understanding even complex business situations with the different perspectives. We not only learn about how accounting works in India, but also things are done globally. Before these ACCA classes, I used to feel very overwhelmed about stepping into the corporate world, but now I am much more excited and confident in my career path. I am sure that I am putting in my best efforts and I will surely succeed in my career. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shraddha Bansal and I am an ACCA student at KR Mangalam University. Before these classes started, all I knew was that ACCA is a tough nut to crack. I didn't know the wonder of this qualification until our university started with Grant Thornton Bharat ACCA program. All I knew is that with right guidance and effort, ACCA can help me build my dream career. ACCA is a complete package. You don't just learn theoretical concept but also understand practical aspect attached to it. In fact, our faculty, Samad sir, focuses on real world example which help us to understand business world, how business world operate. And if I would present my perspective towards ACCA, it is the most rewarded qualification in one's career. Thanks to KR Mangalam University to provide us an opportunity to study ACCA from the top accounting and audit firm, that is Grant Thornton Bharat. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vrindam Bansal. I am currently doing ACCA with Grant Thornton Bharat at KR Mangalam University. As it is well said that cracking C exam is tough, but when I got to know that our college is providing us ACCA, and I came to know that this ACCA is a globally recognized. If we talk about the faculty is providing us with a lot of real examples and practical things that provide us to excel our knowledge at a very extent level. If we talk about the course material and the books provided to us are very concise and easy to understand. And I started gaining interest in my concept as well, which built my strong interest in accounting and finance as well. The Samad sir, which gives us a huge amount of real life examples and motivates us to give our best in this field, as it is a very good field for our upcoming years as well. Thank you to the Grant Thornton and KR Mangalam University for this incredible opportunity, and my career goal is now clear and I will give my best efforts to fulfill my dreams. Thank you.
Hi, myself Ansh, and I am currently pursuing ACCA at KR Mangalam University. Earlier I used to think that how would I step up in the crowd of so much professionals, but thanks to Grant Thornton Bharat and KR Mangalam University, they introduced me to ACCA. ACCA I feel like as a game changer. Earlier I used to self-doubt, and ACCA helped me to change that self-doubt into self-confidence. Also, ACCA, the curriculum is very perfectly paced for beginners like me, like my peers. and that helps a person to just go through with his particular speed or his particular way of learning new skills and new knowledge. Also, I would like to thank a member of faculty, Samarth sir. He is very approachable and compassionate, always ready to help or clear our doubts, and he is great at his skills to make a person comfortable. Also, Samarth sir helps us in different types of like exploring different sections of ACCA or new sections that is new to us. Lastly, like I am lucky to not only learn insight but also the practical knowledge and practical skills about ACCA or a corporate world. At last, that only matters in our industry world. I am determined to fulfill my career and my dream in ACCA. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Chabansal and I am currently pursuing Grant Thornton Bharat's ACCA program at Mangalam University. From the very beginning, I have only one thing in my mind, that whatever field I choose, I have to gain expertise in it. Firstly, ACCA has proven to be perfectly aligning with my goal. That's what I thought now. And being a BCom student, I have gained quite some exemptions in certain exams, which have proved to be time saving for me. ACCA provides me with a world full of opportunities because it is globally recognized and it is quite flexible in nature. Plus, the ACCA subjects are a part of our university curriculum, which I now found more interesting than before. And now the ACCA isn't just only about passing exams, it is their practical approach, which is now letting me to apply the concepts in the real world life and in many different scenarios, which is preparing me for the real business world out there. And I want to thank Mangalam University and Grant Thornton for providing me with this incredible opportunity to present myself in front of you. Thank you.